If you're a contractor, builder, or even a property owner starting a construction project, there's one type of insurance you absolutely need to understand, and that's builder's risk insurance. Today, we're breaking down what it covers, when you need it, and how to avoid common mistakes that could leave you exposed to major losses. Stay tuned because this could save you thousands. If you're serious about protecting your business, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more insights on insurance, business growth, and contractor success. This video is brought to you by One Exam Prep's sister company, One Insurance Solutions. One Insurance specializes in working with the construction industry throughout the United States, helping contractors navigate general liability, workers' compensation, builder's risk, life insurance, and anything else to help protect your business. So, what exactly is builder's risk insurance? It's a specialized type of property insurance that covers buildings and structures under construction. Think of it as temporary insurance that protects your project from unexpected disasters. So, what are the key coverage areas? Fire, wind, lightning, hail, and vandalism. Next is theft of building materials from the job site, damage from explosions or accidental collapses, and coverage for materials, fixtures, and sometimes equipment stored on site. Essentially, if something happens to your project before it's completed, builder's risk insurance steps in to cover the financial loss. But, and this is important, it does not cover liability, worker injuries, or tools. That's a separate policy altogether. So you might be wondering, do I really need builder's risk insurance? Well, here's the deal. If you're financing a construction project, most lenders will require it before they fund the job. But even if they don't, it's still a smart move. So who typically buys builder's risk insurance? So it's general contractors, home builders, property owners, developers, and renovation specialists. Even if you're a subcontractor, you might be required to be listed on the policy if you're responsible for supplying materials or labor. All right, let's talk about what builder's risk insurance does not cover. This is where a lot of contractors get caught off guard. So here are the exclusions to watch out for. Accidents that cause bodily injury or third-party damage. That's general liability insurance. Next is work errors or construction defects. Next is equipment or tools. You need an equipment floater policy for that. After that, employee injuries, which is covered by workers' compensation. And then weather-related damage, if it could have been prevented, like failure to secure materials properly. So if a storm blows through and damages your unfinished project, builder's risk can't help. But if you left the job site unsecured and thieves stole all your materials, your claim might get denied. That's why understanding the policy details is crucial. Now let's talk numbers. How much does this coverage cost? Well, builder's risk insurance typically costs between 1 and 5% of the total construction project. So for a $500,000 project, you might pay anywhere from $5,000 to $25,000 for coverage. Here are the factors that affect the cost. Project value. The more expensive the project, the higher the premium. Next is location. High-risk weather areas cost more. Type of construction. Wood-framed buildings are riskier than steel or concrete. And duration of project. Longer projects may require extensions or additional coverage. To get the best rate, shop around and compare policies. Some insurance providers offer discounts if you bundle coverage with your general liability or workers' comp policy. Now let's go over some of the most common mistakes contractors make with builder's risk insurance and how you can avoid them. Here are the top mistakes to avoid. Number one, not having the policy in place before construction starts. If you start work without coverage, any loss that happens before the policy is in place won't be covered. Number two, underinsuring the project. Your policy should cover the full cost of materials and labor, not just a portion. Number three, assuming someone else has coverage. Always confirm whether the property owner, GC, or subcontractors have their own policies. And fourth, forgetting to extend the policy. If the project runs longer than expected, an expired policy leaves you unprotected. One last tip, work with an insurance agent who specializes in contractor insurance. They'll help you avoid gaps in coverage and make sure you're fully protected. All right, that wraps up today's video on builder's risk insurance. Now you know why it's important and what it covers and how to avoid costly mistakes. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and drop a comment below. Have you ever had to file a builder's risk insurance claim? What was your experience? Subscribe for more contractor business tips. And if you're looking for expert guidance on starting or growing your contracting business, check out the links in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Keep building smarter. And if you need more information from One Insurance Solutions, you can contact them at sales@oneinsurancesolutions.com. calling 1-877-700-0243 or visiting them at www.oneinsurancesolutions.com.